Welcome back, ladies. So today's video I'm excited about. I'm going to be showing you in my how to wig video how to conceal the knots in your wig. So when you get a wig, obviously the hair is dyed, obviously they do knots in the lace, and that's how they secure the hair to the lace. So if you look close enough, you can see the knots. And if people are really close up to you or even far away, if you're not concealing those knots, people can tell you're wearing a wig. So I'm going to be showing you how I conceal my lace fronts part using just two products. So to find out how to do that, keep on watching. And for more how-to videos, make sure to check the info card down below, and I will post my link there so you can check out the rest of the videos in this series. So this is my really simple technique to making my parts pop and look more realistic. I take my foundation here. Honestly, any foundation you have that is the same color as your scalp will do. I use this one because I tried it on my face and it just oxidized like crazy and it did not work for my face, but it works for my scalp. So I use this. I place a little bit on the back of my hand, and then I take my makeup sponge, this here, and I use the thinner side, and I put some product on that thin side of the makeup sponge. Then you want to flip your cap inside out, and you want to place this foundation on the part, and you want to extend it all the way to the front of the part. A little product goes a long way, so don't go dumping a bunch of this on the part, because it will come through on the other side of the lace and it will get all over your hair. So a little bit of product, and then you just kind of push it through so that it comes through on the other side of your part like this. Once you have it looking the way you want to, you go ahead and pop this on your head, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Fit Me powder. This is the powder part on the top part of the wig, and that sets the foundation that I used on the inside. So that's it. That's how I make my part look more natural. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys on the next one. Mwah.